Your home is always exposed to the elements. Brutal winds, severe thunderstorms, lightning, and especially the hot Florida sun. When it comes to weathering those elements, your first line of defense is your roof. And preventative maintenance is key when it comes to extending your roof's lifespan.
My name is Doug Rowe, and I am the president and co-owner of Code Red Roofers. So Code Red Roofers was started in 2004 by myself and my business partner, Brian. There was a hurricane that hit the East Coast, and it pretty much devastated every roof around. I was a residential contractor at the time, and I still am, and it seemed like an easy transition to move from residential contracting to residential re-roofing. So we started the roofing business, and we've been here for 18 years, and we're Code Red Roofers, the roofers who respond.
Typically, we think to check if anything is wrong with our roof when we're buying or selling a home, or after a devastating storm. But how often should we really be checking the condition of our roof?
The typical lifespan of a residential roof depends on the roof type. Shingles will last anywhere from 10 to 15 years, whereas a metal roof will last 30 to 40 years, and a tile roof will last 20 to 25 years. The biggest driver is what insurance companies are doing. Now at the 15-year mark, it's mandatory to replace your roof on a shingle application, otherwise you'll lose your insurance. Whereas a metal roof is 20 to 25 years, and then they're pretty much cracking down on replacing the roof. And then a tile application, concrete roof tiles, 20 to 25 years, they start to show signs, and that's the mark where insurance companies say you have to replace the roof, otherwise they're canceling. Some of the warning signs when it's time to replace your roof depends on the application as well. And basically for a shingle roof, you're looking for granules that have come off and they're in the gutters and they're coming out on the ground through the downspouts. On a tile application, you're looking for loose, cracked, or broken tiles. And in a metal application, usually the flashing details or the pipe flashings, they start to disintegrate and crack, and when they do, they will start to leak. We can actually extend the life of a roof by sending someone out to do an inspection every 2 years. And what that entails is we schedule a day and time where we can come out and walk the roof and just look for any deficiencies in the roof, whether the flashing details are off or cracked skylights and stuff like that, and we can make notations of it. And at the time, we can even hand deliver a handwritten proposal and take care of them as needed. So the importance of having a roof inspection prior to buying or selling a home, especially here in South Florida, it's pretty much mandatory that you do such a thing. The roof is the biggest portion of your house, and it literally protects everything that you've accumulated over your lifetime. If you buy the house and the roof is at the end of its lifespan, as soon as you move in, the insurance company is going to make you replace that roof no matter what.
Tile, shingles, metal panels. There are different choices to go with for roofing materials. How do I know what type of roof is best for my home?
Here in Florida, the weather is absolutely amazing, but sometimes that hot Florida sun can cause our roofs to take quite a beating. So it's super important to make sure that you choose the right roofing material for your home. First, we have metal panels, which are very popular for their energy efficiency, their durability. They come in a variety of finishes and colors. Then we have architectural shingles, which are a cost-affordable option for a lot of homeowners, and they also come in a variety of colors and textures. And then lastly, we have our tile option, which is very popular here in South Florida because it's very aesthetically pleasing. When you're choosing a roof, it's a very big decision, so you want to make sure that you're fully informed. Unfortunately, roofing scams are very rampant here in South Florida, so you want to make sure that you know some things to be aware of. First, you want to make sure that they have the licenses in the state of Florida and that they are all up to date. Second, you want to choose a roofing contractor that's a part of your local community and service area.
Keeping cool in the South Florida heat is always a major concern, but we also want to keep our energy bills as low as possible. Can my roof help to keep my home energy efficient?
So one of the ways to make your roof more energy efficient is by adding solar panels. And solar panels can be added to any roof type. The process is a little bit different for each one. So in a metal application, when we are done installing the metal, the solar panels can actually be installed with brackets that clip to the top of the panels. Whereas in a shingle application or a tile application, we would need to work closely with a solar company and be there at the same time so we can waterproof the brackets so they can actually install the solar panels over top of them. Your roof can be a major expense, so make sure that you keep it maintained and keep it clean, and that will maximize its longevity.
Want to know more about Code Red Roofers? Visit CodeRedRoofers.com or visit our website at designingspaces.tv.